Cheers guys to the mornings, because mornings are beautiful and nothing interrupts you the mornings, and you can achieve so much more. So I really encourage you. It's really hard to get up in the morning, but it's all just in our heads. It's really mental, because once you get up and you cannot do the social media thing because nobody's really up and the emails are really not coming, and you can just kind of rewind. I think it's the only time during the day that you can spend some time, do things for yourself, think, not rush. But there is a but. You need to get at least 5 a.m. 5 to 7 are the hours where it's kind of quiet and peaceful, and you can just be kind of like in an angelic state. So cheers to that, and I am looking forward to my mornings. This was Magdalena from Miss Immigrant, Amphi Bag, and Orange River Media.